Good day guys! Have you already formulated the research problem for your thesis? Here are some tips on how to write an effective research title. 1. Indicate accurately the subject and scope of the study. When we say about subject, it refers to the species of organism that you would like to deal with. On the other hand, the scope means as to the extent of the study that you would like to conduct. Example, you want to conduct a study focusing in the growth of Philippine Native Chicken. The subject of your study is the Philippine Native Chicken and the scope will be focusing in growth. 2. Do not use abbreviations in your title. Why? It will be confusing and may be meant differently by your readers. 3. The title should be thought-provoking to the point that it will stimulate readers to read it. Which of the following is thought-provoking title? Growth performance of Philippine Native Chicken fed with bio-enhanced natural growth promoting feed additives. Or influence of bio-enhanced natural growth promoting feed additives in the growth of Philippine Native Chicken. 4. The use of scientific name of the test organism is highly recommended, such that the scientific name of Philippine Native Chicken is Gallus domesticus be included in the title. 5. The inclusion of word study of, assessment of, and the like in the title are discouraged. 6. Forming the title and phrase is highly recommended than in question form. 7. It shows the relationship between dependent and independent variables. 8. Possibly, it should not be longer than 20 to 25 substantive words. Have you already in mind the title of your study?